This reaction is also known as the explosive polymerization of sulfuric acid, or in simpler terms, the dehydration of sugar, which is a carbohydrate, meaning that this is a hydrated carbon. And for this reaction, it'll be sucrose, C12H22O12, with sulfuric acid, which is SO4. And it'll create an exothermic reaction, leaving only carbon, with products of H2O and sulfur oxide, which will come off as the gases. Oh. And that means starting to react.
You're gonna get rid of some.
Ow!
Is it working? I can't see. Your fumig's in the way. Right where your glass is, where the bar of the fumig is.
It's turning black, but it's not
It's
like.
turning black, but it's not. Does not seem to be laying off to H2O and sulfur oxide. It should be.
Alright, so stop stirring it. Put your
Yeah.
put your stir rod down. Make sure you put it where it belongs. And now close the fume hood all the way just in case. And address questions if anybody has it.
Oh, does anyone have any questions while we're hopefully waiting for this to react?
Why do you think it hasn't happened already?
Might be the amount of products I adjusted. I might have added a little bit more too much sugar for sulfuric acid to handle, so it might be different ratios and might not be reacting to its fullest extent because of that. Because last time it did not react at all when I put exact amounts in there.
Why would excess amounts of your reagent make it less likely to react?
There's less to react, and therefore it will not come to its fullest extent, leaving extras. As that happened for my first one where I had too much sugar, and so when I reacted to sulfuric acid, it made a lot of carbon, but there's still a lot of sugar. So
There it goes.
Yeah.
finally,
So it's worked before?
yes,
It's working right now.
Yeah.
for my first trial it worked, but the thing is, I had too much sugar.
Can you see it now?
Yep.
No, that's fine.
Do you think the amount that you were stirring it could have affected the rate of the reaction?
Possibly. I did increase the chances of it reacting by putting a little indent into the center of the sugar for more of it to react with more surface area.
Is it above the glass now?
Yep.
But it's still growing?
Not really.
Okay, so it grew, but just the reaction took longer
Yep.
and isn't near, is it as big as the first time you did it?
Nowhere near as big as, because for first trial I did, I put in a lot of sugar and a lot more sulfuric acid to create it more. This one I dialed it down a lot to about 0.03 moles plus whatever amount I added extra to compensate for each.
Okay. Did you add water at all?
No,
Any of
sir.
your sugar?
Nope. I did not have to add any water to the reaction.
Okay. Any other questions for him? Alright, Cody, nicely done make sure that you are very, very careful with the 10 milliliter graduate cylinder. It's still concentrated
Sulfuric acid.
Okay, so that needs to go directly into the big beaker and
Along with
neutralize